What the hell? Gonna check out this Nicole Kirkland, dance choreography, Chris Brown, influence, under influence. So this is gonna be very interesting. So, oh, they actually got Chris Brown there. I watched a last video like this, but it was Mario. So it's very interesting to see they're starting to bring the artists in the studio. Dude, can you imagine having one of these girl, bro? She can perform for you anytime you want. If you're bored, she can just perform for you. That's crazy. Man, these girls are very talented at dancing. Because when I think about it, all these dance moves are not really hard, not easy to do because the choreography and the amount of time they spend practicing, you gotta give them props for this, man. Honest to God. Dude, the Chris one is like sitting there like, what's going on, bro? Oh, she's coming closer and closer. Okay. It's like he's pulling her in, like, baby, you care. Oh, dude, who the hell is videoing this shit, bro? Yo, I gotta big up because the cameraman was videoing this shit because it got some good angles, man. Like the way they move the camera. Must be have a good stabilizer. Damn, dude, even the thick girls are flexible. What the hell? Dude, they move light on their feet, man. That's crazy. Baby, you care. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, man. This choreography, yo. I like how they're moving so agile. They're not like wild. They're just doing the choreography, matching and everything. Everything sync to the music. It's crazy. I have to give the heavier body girls props because they're moving so light and they're. Oh, girls. Baby, yeah. Care, not care. Wait, I wonder if it have any. Oh, no caption. Shit, I want to know what the lyrics are saying. Oh, you care. Stick to me. Stick to me. There's rain on it. Wait, are they wearing masks? Why are those two wearing masks? And they're dancing. Wouldn't that like suffocate them? Okay. Baby, right there. Baby, you care. Why did I care? Wait a minute. The one in the back wasn't in sync fully. I'm looking at synchronization, bro. I want to see if everybody's actually syncing on what they're doing. Man, Chris is like sitting there like he's a CEO and shit. Like he's just observing, like he's ready to hire some girls to be in his music video. Although he could hire some girls from this show. Damn. Yo, she is heavy, bro. Yo, Chris is like, better behave myself here, bruh. Chris is like, yo, I better behave myself here, bruh. That's it on it. And baby, yeah. Yeah. Only fans. Okay, baby, yeah. Baby, yeah. Baby, yeah. Oh, Slimmers. Damn, yo. Damn, she's moving. Damn, because she's so slim, she cannot easily move, bro. Like, no effort. Look at that shit. No effort, bro. Oh my god. Yo! What the hell? Dude, even Chris is like, what the fuck is this girl doing? Yo! Yo, that's crazy, bruh. Yeah, that shit was... Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this girl is sick. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. This last girl was sick, bro.